Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. To another video, and I'm talking this from a personal point of experience. I'm saying this from a painful heart. What I heard from my study, what I heard from my research, the study that I did, the research that I did on this other set of people, on this other brand of people, called Ndebele or Ndebele, especially the girls, the women, or the ladies. Whenever they see a Shona guy from Harare, especially Harare, the capital city of Zimbabwe, Harare city, Harare town, or from any place in Harare, the study or the research that I did showed me that these Ndebele girls, women, ladies, these Ndebele females, at the back of their minds, at the back of their brains, they think, these guys were born with a silver spoon, were born in a pot of money, were born in money. They have a lot of money, they're rich, they're wealthy. Just get yourself one guy from Shona, one guy from Harare, and you're good to go. You're home and dry. You're fine with life. You start to enjoy a bed of roses. You start to enjoy all the fine things of life, all the good things that this life can offer. This is what my research that I've been doing for the past months told me. This is what my research or my study told me. That Ndebele girls, Ndebele women, Ndebele ladies, they think Shona guys, or to be specific, Harare guys, young men, guys from Harare, Harare city, Harare town, the capital city of Zimbabwe. They are damn rich. They're born in money. They're born with a silver spoon. And by extension, they say, just get yourself one and you're fine with life. You're good to go. I want to help you. I want to correct that mindset. I want to chip in and help your life. When a Ndebele girl, when a Ndebele woman, Ndebele lady, no, it's not correct. It's not right. What you're thinking is not good. These guys, Shona guys, Harare guys, some of them, they're suffering. Some of them, they are struggling. They are suffering. They don't have money. And they were never born in money. They were never born in a pot of money. Some of them, they've never touched money with their hands. They've never touched money. Whatever figure you can think of, they've never touched money in their hands. Some of them, they're busy looking for jobs, whatever kind of a job, at whatever level, at whatever stage. So it's wrong. It's not correct to think that way. I'm helping you as your brother, a good brother. By that way, I'm helping you to fine tune, to correct your mindset, correct your way of thinking. It's wrong. It's not correct. It's very bad. Shona guys in this country, Harare guys in this country, Zimbabwe, some of them and a lot of them were never born in money, were never born in a pot of money, were never born with a silver spoon or with a golden spoon or with a platinum spoon or with a diamond spoon. No, never. No, never. They're working very hard every day for a better life, for a good life. Whatever they're doing, they're trying very hard to have a better life. These Shona guys, Shona young men, these Harare guys, Harare city guys, I'm telling you, because I am one of them, and I'm also Shona, and I know these people, I know these guys, I know, I understand these young men. So Ndebele girls, Ndebele women, Ndebele ladies, I'm helping you as your brother. They were never born with a silver spoon. Some of them, they've never touched money with their hands. Real money, good money, big money. They don't know it. They're praying and hoping and believing in God, Jehovah, to bless them with the money. We're just equal. We're just on the same level. You and us, same level. Same like your guys in Matebele in Bulawayo, suffering, struggling, trying very hard. All these things which are common to African life is the same thing even to us, the Shona people, Shona young men, Shona guys. Of course, I have to be honest with you right now and right here. There are some who were born with a silver spoon. There are some who were born in money. There are some who were born in a pot of money. There are some who are very good, who are very fine. But you know, we're in Zimbabwe. You know how these things work in Zimbabwe. So I don't want to go into details concerning that side. But it's true. Some were born with a silver spoon, golden spoon, diamond spoon, platinum spoon, sapphire spoon, whatever I call it. And they're enjoying life. They are very good. Big houses, big cars, go to vacations, go to foreign trips, go to Europe, go to America, everywhere where they want. Have a nice time, have a good time with everything that this life can afford you to have or can afford you to do. If you got all the money in the world. Yeah, there are some like that. But the bulky, a major percentage of them, they are not like that. They are not like that. And I've said it before, and I'll not repeat again. Please correct your mindset. I'm helping you. Fine tune, correct, adjust your mindset, your mentality. We're just equal, on the same footing, on the same level, on an equal basis. Just like your guys in Matebelen, just like your men, young men, Debele young men, Debele guys in Matebelen, in Bulawayo. We're just the same. We're just the same people, equal. More or less the same things. Nothing more and nothing less. What do you say? What's your comment? But I've been doing a study, I've been doing a research through whatever platform, through whatever system or mechanism. And this is what I came to know, that I came to understand. This is what I came to find out. That these girls from that side, Matebelen or Bulawayo, this is what they think, or this is what they, whatever. But I'm happy I've addressed that issue, I've addressed that matter, I've corrected you. It's not true. Because I'm Shona, and I know this Shona men, Shona guys. Any comments, put in the comment section. Let's talk further. I'm signing out. I'm done talking. Peace. Sharp.